Good morning. We are celebrating the solemnity of the Virgin Mary, the Assumption of the Blessed Virgin Mary into heaven. That is why there is no image before us, only flowers, because the Blessed Mother has already assumed into heaven. Of course, I am just kidding. This is a preparation for the coming or visit of the image of Our Lady of the Holy Trinity later this morning. But my dear brothers and sisters, really, what is the meaning of the solemnity that we celebrate? Well, according to the declaration of the dogma, it means two things. Number one, the Blessed Virgin Mary did not die. And since she did not die, she remained fresh in her body. There was no corruption. Hindi siya nabulok. Hindi nabulok ang kanyang katawan. But the second truth connected to the Assumption is that Mary's body, which did not become corrupt, was assumed into heaven. You cannot find the body of Mary here on earth. You cannot find a relic of the body of the Blessed Virgin Mary. So kung mayroong magsasabi sa iyo, eto relic ng mahal na birhen ang kanyang katawan, nagsisinungaling yon. So yun ang ipinagdiriwang natin ngayon. And I believe that the Assumption of the Blessed Virgin Mary into heaven is the logical conclusion of her life. Started with her yes at the Annunciation. Tama lang na ang kanyang buhay ay magwakas hindi sa pagkabulok. Ang kanyang buhay ay magwakas hindi sa kamatayan, kundi sa kanyang maluwalhating pag-akyat sa langit. Sapagkat sa kanyang buong buhay, simula pa nang ang mahal na birhen ay sabihan na siya ay magiging ina ng Diyos, sa kanyang pagtugon ng oo, sa kanyang pagsang-ayon sa lahat ng mga nangyayari o nangyari sa kanyang buhay, sa kanyang pagtugon sa kalooban ng Diyos, kahit na ang kaloobang ito ay hindi malinaw at hindi madaling tanggapin. Ang buhay na ito na punong-puno ng pagsang-ayon at pagsunod sa kalooban ng Diyos ay tama lang na magwakas sa kaluwalhatian. That is why the solemnity of the Blessed Virgin Mary's Assumption means for her God's way of saying thank you. That is God's way of saying to Blessed Mother, thank you, Mary, for saying yes to my will. Kaya kung gusto din nating umakyat sa langit, tularan natin ang mahal na birhen sa kanyang pagsang-ayon sa kalooban ng Diyos, kahit na ito'y hindi malinaw, kahit ito'y hindi madali. But what is the meaning of the Assumption for us, for you and me? What does it mean? Well, ngayon po, sikat na sikat ang isang tennis player na Pilipina, si Alex. Ngayon, meron siyang laban sa US. Bago siya, of course, meron tayong Manny Pacquiao. Sabi nga kapag may laban si Manny Pacquiao, bumababa ang krimen sapagkat ang mga tao ay nakatutok sa panonood sa TV. So, kapag nananalo si Manny Pacquiao, kapag nananalo si Alex Ayala sa mga kompetisyon, lalo na yung mga Pinoy na nanonood sa Kanya. Hindi ba't hiyawan? Hindi ba't palakpakan? Galak na galak tayo? Hindi naman tayo mababalatuan yan eh. Pero bakit tayo nagdiriwang? Because she is one of us. She is a Filipina. She is one of us. And we are proud. Today we celebrate the Assumption of Mary, who is one of us. Who is one of us. And we have the reason to celebrate. But you see, there is a deeper meaning also of her assumption. That Mary is telling us, your real home is heaven. That is our real home. That is why, as Mary was assumed into heaven, hopefully, all of us, when we die, we will also be in heaven. Alam nyo, many years ago, nung bata pa si Richard Gomez at si Don Zulueta, meron silang ginawang pelikula. Ang title ay Hihintayin Kita sa Langit. Hihintayin kita sa langit. I think, my dear brothers and sisters, that is what Mary is telling us. Hihintayin ko kayo sa langit. Hihintayin ko kayo sa langit. At sabi ko nga kanina, kung gusto nating makapasok sa langit, tularan natin si Maria sa kanyang pag-oo sa kalooban ng Diyos. Amen.